So, so five-member group from Enough is Enough, five-member group has gone and met Chief Town Planner Vantika Nagur. We have given her the memorandum. We have told her that the memorandum has been sent by vetted by Justice Benji Tribunal that he cannot be here today.
कृपया सगळ्यांनी शांतता राखची हांगा तर केला त्यामुळे जे कितें डॉक्टर गोवाड आल्वारीस उलयता ते सगळ्यापर्यंत पावचे आख्या गोंयापर्यंत पावचे मातशें कृपया सगळ्यांनी शांतता राखची देव बरें सर.
We spent some time with her. We tried to convince her. We tried to convince her that there was a need right now. Public in Goa is very upset. Nobody is in favor of Section 39A in the state of Goa. It's a amendment to the law which has to be cancelled. We have tried to impress on her that the job of the Town and Country Planning Department is a job of experts, people who know, people who do town planning, people who study town planning. Regional plan is prepared by them. The Minister for Town Planning does not have the authority or the competence to decide on zone change. That is the structure of government. Any information, any change in the plan, any change in any technical aspect of the plan must first be suggested by the department, by the officials of the department. Then only after they have said yes, then the minister can clear it. But today the system is the minister is telling them to do the zone changes. For whatever reason, you all know for what reasons ministers take decisions. Then the department is only following what the minister said. And we said that this is a very, very serious deviation of the role of the chief town planner and the department. I do not think, and my colleagues also do not think that the department is in agreement with what the minister is doing. But she accepted our suggestion that she will do with the department a technical note, which is our primary demand, to send to the government that 39A should go. Yes. 39A should go. We are very fair to her. We said, you don't have to be yourself convinced, but at least you represent to the government that we have been coming time and again here to protest, and therefore it is time that you write to the government, put up a note saying that 39A is not in the interest of land development of Goa and it should be rusticated, should be cancelled and should be removed from the law. If she does that, she has done her job. I have full confidence that she will do her job and she will write what has to be written. But ultimately, the responsibility for cancelling 39A is only the responsibility of the cabinet. If the cabinet takes a decision, an ordinance can be issued, 39A can be cancelled. If 39A is not cancelled, every voter here in this crowd and every voter in every village is going to vote against the BJP, because that is the feeling of the public, the anger of the public, because 39A is destroying village after village after village in the state of Goa, and this we will not permit. We are well aware also within 3 to 4 months elections will be announced and all 39A will come to a halt. because the government cannot give it once the government's term is over. We are well aware of that, but we still say, stop what you are doing, cancel 39A, and then only the public will be happy. Till that time, we are not going to sleep. We are going to come here time to time, and we are going to harass you, and we are going to ask the police to come, and we are going to do all this till you stop doing 39A. So please come.
When we start pressurizing cabinet, when we start pressurizing cabinet minister,
Then
want to pressurize them.
we have given 15 days notice. After 15 days, we will escalate the protest to sacking the minister. Yes. We will ask for the minister to go. Should we do it or not? Yes. Minister. Yes. The minister has got no competence to decide. If the minister is a health minister, does he decide what is whether can he do an operation on the operation table? He is a health minister. He has to rely upon the doctors, they are experts. Similarly, if you also change the regional plan, he has to decide on the expertise of the town planning department. He cannot do it, he has got no power. And that is why I am convinced that all these permissions will go and all will be cancelled. But you keep up the fight and you keep coming whenever we ask you to come. We ask you to come for 1 or 2 hours, please come. At least. And come with good voice and good show.
व्यवहार करो हांव देवबारा करूं म्हणटा गोंयच्या सगळ्या न्यूज गोंयकारांक हांगासर उपस्थित जाल्ल्या सगळ्या एक्टिविस्टांक हांगासर उपस्थित जाल्ल्या सगळ्या पॉलिटिकल पार्टीच्या अध्यक्षांक खूब जाणांक उलोवपाचें आसलें सगळ्यांक आमी हांगासर उलोवपाक वेळ दिवंक शकलो ना त्या बद्दल हांव माफी मागता पण हो आवाज जेन्ना गांवांनी वतलो तेन्ना तुमचो आवाज आमकां जाय पडटलो आनी लढाय आतां सुरवात जाल्ली आसा कारण जो मिनिस्टर आसा तो सहजासहजी आयकपी न्ही तेजी बॉडी लँग्वेज तुमी पळयता तेका जेन्ना घरा धाडटले